Hello, this is Jennifer with Smith Chevy in Lowell, Indiana, and today I'll be showing you our pre-owned 2015 Buick Verano base. This vehicle has only one owner. It is still underneath its factory warranty. The exterior color is a Mocha bronze metallic. The engine is a ECOTEC 2.4 liter engine with 6-speed automatic electronic with overdrive. And the trunk, you do have a lot of room, and along with some extra floor mats. The vehicle will just have a lot of tread left on the tires. Very clean leather interior, enough room to fit all your passengers. Coming from your driver's side, you have your power locks and windows. Coming from your steering wheel, you have your cruise control, as well for your Bluetooth with your phone. It does have a single disc CD player. Here's your heat and air controls. This is Jennifer with Smith Chevy in Lowell, and today I was showing you our pre-owned 2015 Buick Verano base.